Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's Hot Wheels video we will be looking at the LB Works Lamborghini Huracan Coupe. Now, according to Wikipedia there is a lot more information about the Huracan in general, but technically this is the replacement for the Lamborghini Gallardo. It has a V10 5.2 liter naturally aspirated Audi and Lamborghini Audi/Lamborghini V10, because Lamborghini is owned by Audi. Sorry. The Huracan has a lot of iterations along the years. So from 2013, when it was first launched, or 2014, it had a lot of iterations. A purely track spec, different Superleggera. There is also the Strato, I think it's called, that is purely off-road. So the Huracan has had a lot of iterations, and Liberty Works, we have featured another Liberty Works Hot Wheels, the S15 Silvia. You can check that out on the channel in the playlist. But as always, I will place in the description below the Wikipedia full link and you can have a read there. The box art fairly standard from the Hot Wheels Exotics, 172 out of 250. But let's take it out and have a look at it. The box set aside, and here it is. So white, no flaking this time, pure white body, pure white paintwork. You can see that it is heavily modified. The body is much wider than the standard. Here it should have screws or studs, or however they are called. But yeah, the front splitter, again, heavily modified. On the front we have the headlights, nicely detailed. The Lamborghini logo, LB Works, both sides. Yeah, this stands out. LB Performance, Liberty Works Performance, Liberty Walk, Lamborghini logo, Hot Wheels. This is a defect, unfortunately. Well, yeah, at the back we don't have the tail lights detailed, unfortunately, and here on the original car, on the actual model, it says Lamborghini. Here we don't have anything. Now, to be fair, I have another Lamborghini Huracan, the original version, somewhere unopened, and we will talk about that when its time comes. But for now we have this spoiler at the back with another defect, unfortunately. Another cool thing is that you can see the engine. On the actual model you can also see the engine, but here this is a nice detail. And another detail that I can see, it is a right hand drive. So technically Liberty Works is a Japanese company. Of course Lamborghini also sells in Japan. So yeah, this is a nice detail. We can see in the interior somewhat, but not that much, as everything is obscured by this plastic. But all in all, yeah, really cool model. A sportier version of the Huracan, or rather a modified version of the Huracan. Really like it. It will sit next to the others in the cabinet. But yeah, I would really love to know your opinion on it. Leave a comment down below and let's discuss. That being said, thank you so much for watching today's video, and see you in the next one.